Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Realme 11 Pro Plus device, and now I'm gonna show you how to recover deleted photos and videos from the recycle bin. So firstly, we need to open the gallery and remove any photo. Cool, photo was removed, but we have 30 days to recover it from recycle bin. To do it, you need to open the albums and then choose recently deleted, and here you will see the list of all recently deleted photos, and you have 30 days after removing to restore this photo. So click and hold on this photo and click restore, and cool, photo was successfully restored. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye, see you.